This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Susan Pender. Waterfront. Beautifully and totally renovated 4-bedroom brick ranch located in the heart of Great Neck on a gorgeous 1.6-acre oversized lot with swimming pool and boat dock. Wonderful bright and open floor plan featuring cathedral ceilings, fabulous brand new high-end gourmet kitchen, gorgeous updated bathrooms, new floors, new HVAC, new windows, new roof and more. Inviting and spacious screen porch overlooking the saltwater pool, yard and water, 2-car garage, shed, 100 feet of new riprap and beautiful professionally landscaped yard with new sprinkler system. For more information, review the details below.